Working of an ANPR system. When a vehicle arrives at the entrance, the camera captures an image of the car and the number plate. Then, the captured license plate number is converted into alphanumeric characters. Now, since this vehicle number does not match, the barrier is manually opened by the security. And similarly, for exit, when the vehicle arrives at the exit gate, the camera captures the number plate and shares this information with our cloud dashboard where the visitor is marked as exited. And here is a live demonstration of how the camera identifies registered cars and automatically allows residents and employees to enter the premises. This system also has easy integration with existing systems as an option, which can save manpower costs and wait time by a huge mark.